Hello everyone, it's Dmitry, and today we have a good news for you. For those of you who have the Pioneer sharpening system, because previously you didn't have so many options when we are talking about the base of this system. Because we have a standard base that we either have to hold with our hand, well, not pretty convenient to my opinion, or you can use a C-clamp to lock it in position. Otherwise, you can buy yourself our universal base made of steel, which is heavy, which is large and gives you a stability when you sharpen a lot. But now we have this new item. This is our folding base for the Pioneer sharpening system. With this folding base, the system becomes more mobile and easy to store. Let's see how we can install it on our Pioneer sharpening system. First, we remove the hinge with the axis. To assemble the sharpening system with our new folding base, we have to remove 3 screws with this 3mm hex screwdriver. Now we use the same screws to assemble the base. Don't forget to check that all 3 of them are locked firmly. Then we return the shaft with the hinge unit back in position and we are ready to sharpen with our new folding base. Also, don't forget to tighten these 2 screws to hold the legs of the base steadily. As you may see, the folding base stands on 5 points. 3 of them are adjustable in case your workbench surface isn't flat enough or you have your sharpening system rocking from one side to another during the operation. You can compensate it by adjusting the brass discs at the bottom of the folding base. Once you made sure that all screws are tightened, you can start to sharpen your knives. As you may see, the sharpening system Pioneer stands still on the table and it takes much less space than previously. Once you removed your knife, you can simply fold the legs of the base, tighten the holding screws, and in this condition your sharpening system will fit into the smallest shelf that you can find at your home. Now that you know that your Pioneer sharpening system could be much more interesting with this folding base, don't forget to visit our online store and check this new item. Also, you may try to buy it from our partners. And I hope to read your thoughts about this item and this system in the comments down below to this video. See you next time!